In many marketing situations, managers want to know how sales of their products vary with the day of the week. In this video, I will demonstrate how to create a pivot table to summarize the average daily number of each product sold on each day of the week. The dataset used in this demo is provided in the book Marketing Analytics, written by Wayne Winston. The first column contains the information on weekdays. Since the data is in a text format, the data were recoded using a coding scheme. A 1 in the weekday column indicates the day was Monday, a 2 indicates Tuesday, and so on. In the third column, the store collected specific dates. As you see, we have 3 years of data, from 2013 to 2015. From column F to column J, you can see the underlying daily sales of cakes, pies, cookies, smoothies, and coffee. The last column recorded if a promotion was offered. In total, we have 1095 observations. Now the owner of La Petite Bakery wants to know how sales of their products vary with the day of the week. This is very important because it will help the store better plan the production of their products. Now place your cursor anywhere in the data cells and click the Insert tab, then click Pivot Table. The Excel opens a Pivot Table dialog box as shown here. You can either select a table or range or use an external data source. Let's select the dataset here, then click OK. And you will see the pivot table field list shown on the right-hand side. You can fill in the pivot table field list by dragging the pivot table headings or fields into the boxes or zones. To answer the question, how do sales of their products vary with the day of the week? Drag the first field to the row box, and each product to the values box. Double-click each product, and change the summary measure to average. You will see, for example, that an average of 96.5 cakes were sold on Sunday. Now let's draw sales curves, because a picture is worth 1,000 words. Place your cursor anywhere in the pivot table, click Insert, then select Pivot Chart. You can choose any of Excel's chart options to summarize the data. Let's select the line option, then click OK. The chart shows that all products sell more on the weekend than during the week. In the lower left corner of the chart, you can filter to show data for any subset of weekdays you want. Because the product sales are noticeably higher during the weekend than during weekdays, the products exhibit seasonality. I may make more videos to teach you how to determine the presence and magnitude of seasonality to more efficiently plan. If you are interested in the seasonality topic, please leave your thoughts in the comments and let me know. My channel aims to teach you business analytics, including concepts, methodologies, and tools, using how-to examples. If you are interested to learn how to use analytics to solve real business issues, please subscribe to my channel for weekly updates.